kiss her. Where most I love that you kiss me. Where is that?
What?
Where most I love that you kiss me.
Here.
Yeah. Halkaasaan jeclaan laga shumaya. I like here. Is he Muslim? Yeah.
I'm her Abba. Do you know Abba?
Nein, bist du nicht.
Abba from Somalia. I'm her Abba.
Dad, ninkan anaa ka qurux badan. Huh? You are not my Abba.
Yes, I'm her Abba. I'm her Haji.
My Abba is my Abba. I'm her Haji.
She has two Abba. One Abba in Somalia.
No.
And another one Abba here.
You can't forget that. You can't forget that, you know, because my Abba is my Abba and you're like my Haji, so
Every woman.
you can't forget.
Every woman has two Abbas.
No!
First Abba is her father, and the second Abba is her man.
He's dreaming, guys.
No.
He's dreaming.
I'm right. Yes, he's right. You see this?
No, he's
Yes.
dreaming. He can't never be my father.
Nicht Vater, aber Abba.
Ja,
That's it.
Abba is Vater. In
Ja,
Somalische Sprache, he's not.
Of course.
Absolutely, he's not.
Of course I am.
No. My
Yes.
father is my father.
Yeah,
And
he's right.
No.
Everyone understands it.
He can't, never.
Only you can understand
No.
it. You have to read what people say. Yes,
Do you want I call you daddy? Daddy.
you can sometimes.
Daddy. Ja, he's not.
Richtig. Ja, siehst du?
He's not.
Ja, das eine Person ist zweimal geschrieben. Was,
It's okay.
was
Ja.
okay. Du redest
Ja.
einmal von 10.
Yeah, he's Russian. He's
No.
Russian.
Wohin gehen Sie?
Maybe we make our phone somewhere.
No, you can hold it.
My hand is tired.
You have another one. Was?
Das ist nicht true. Okay, wir machen so.
Ja, warum deine Hand ist müde?
Natürlich, halte es.
Natürlich, ich kann das halten, kein Problem.
Gut. Dann schau es richtig und mach es richtig.
Ja, mache ich das richtig, aber du siehst, zwischen uns ist 10 Meter Abstand.
Ja, okay.
Ja, okay. Hello everyone who joined our live stream.
And say, follow us, please. Hey, don't forget.
Yeah, you can say that also.
If you say und say, ob ich
Okay.
sage und du sagst es gleich doch, sag einfach.
Ja, aber ich kann das sagen freiwillig. Ja. Mach doch dann diese Sache.
So wie du bist.
She's speaking another man. No. She tried, but I catch her. She gave her number to someone. I catch her.
Fast catch her. Ich habe
Yeah.
ihm geholfen. I just help him. What is I catch her?
Flip camera, no. He's doing something, I cannot flip the camera. Yeah.
Then I will marry the Somali guy there.
I have to accept that, sadly. But at least she will be in Somalia and that's the place where she have to be.
Yeah, and then, but we will go together. We make one vacation. We will make vacation in the future.
So for me it will be vacation, for her it will be like a new location
Du
for
brauchst
living.
nicht übertreiben, du betreibst gerade.
Ja, ist okay. Vielleicht ich übertreibe nicht, wer weiß.
Doch, du
Vielleicht
betreibst.
werde ich entschieden.
Beautiful Campbells, thank you guys. Hargeisa. No, he love
Puntland.
Puntland and he love Mogadishu. It's Somalia.
We have only 2 places to visit. Puntland and Mogadishu. Mogadishu is the capital of Somalia. And Puntland is just nice place.
He is not Romania, he's from Russia. and German as
Yeah,
well.
you have to tell pirates that I will come.
Why is her English so? Because I live in German and I don't know how to speak English, you know, and I never go to school to
And-
English. He was in school, he learned English, but
And-
I never was. So
And because people
I
in
just can't
Somalia,
speak German perfect, but English is bad. My English is so very
and because people in Somalia, they speak two languages, Arabic and
bad.
Somali.
No, they speak English also. Somali people, they speak perfect English.
Okay,
Yeah.
but you not.
Because I never was in school for English, so
Okay.
that's why.
Okay.
But I know, you know, I speak German, and for me it's enough. I speak German, I speak Somali, that is okay, and I understand 50-50 English. And you also, you can't perfect English. You just know 50-50 like me. We are
No.
same, actually. We are same, actually.
My English is
He tried to say my English is better, but his English is
no.
bad than mine.
To be honest, my English is really better than her. She can talk on English.
He is from where? He is Russia and German. You can ask me where do you come from? Yes, I have wine.
Ich komme aus Kenia, ich hab schon gesagt.
Do you know where is Kenya?
Natürlich.
You don't say you. Du musst nicht sagen Kenia, weil ich bin nicht Kenia. Bist du mit einer Kenia zusammen?
Nein.
Sag erst nochmal dann. Du brauchst nicht Kenia zu sagen.
Ja, aber
Was heißt aber ich komme Kenia?
okay, chill mal.
Nicht
Was ist
viel.
los?